Ever wondered how to generate free AI videos for YouTube? Well, ponder no more. The future is here, and it's smarter than ever. AI, or artificial intelligence, has made it possible to create high-quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or professional editing skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to making it happen. Step 1. Choose the right AI video generator. There are several free AI video generators available online. Some popular options include Lumen 5, InVideo, and Raw Shorts. Each has its own unique features, so take the time to explore and find the one that suits your needs best. Step 2. Get your script ready. This is the backbone of your video. Whether it's an informative piece, a product review, or a tutorial like this one, your script must be clear, concise, and engaging. Remember, the AI will generate the video based on this script, so make sure it's top-notch. Step 3. Input your script into the AI generator. Once you're happy with your script, it's time to feed it into your chosen AI video generator. This is usually as simple as copying and pasting the text into a designated field. Step 4. Customize your video. Most AI video generators offer a degree of customization. This could include choosing a theme or style, adding music, or selecting specific images or clips to include in the video. Take advantage of these features to make your video stand out. Voiceover. Now let's delve a bit deeper into how InVideo.ai transforms your script into an engaging video. First, you input your carefully crafted script into the software. Then the artificial intelligence gets to work. It meticulously analyzes your script, selecting the most relevant stock footage or images that perfectly align with your narrative. Simultaneously, it adds voiceover, music, and seamless transitions based on your preset preferences. And remember, you retain full control. You can customize and edit the video as needed, ensuring it aligns with your vision. And voila, just like that, you have a professional quality video ready to captivate your audience. Step 5. Generate your video. After you've customized your video to your liking, it's time to let the AI do its thing. Click on the Generate button and watch as your script is transformed into a professional-looking video. Step 6. Review and edit your video. Once your video has been generated, take the time to watch it through. Is there anything you'd like to change? Most AI video generators allow for editing after the video has been created, so don't be afraid to tweak things until you're completely satisfied. Step 7. Upload your video to YouTube. Now that you've created your AI-generated video, it's time to share it with the world. Upload it to your YouTube channel. Optimize the title and description for SEO, and watch as the views roll in. So to summarize, choose the right AI video generator, prepare a solid script, input the script into the generator, customize your video, generate the video, review and edit, then upload to YouTube. With these steps, you can create professional-looking videos without breaking the bank or spending countless hours in editing software. AI is revolutionizing content creation, and it's time to get on board.